I'm here with Dan Dwyer. How was the Dalby sale today?
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, combined agents at Dalby yarded a total of 5,203 head, back 2,569. The results today showed a similar trend to last week, with most categories softening. Now for your quotes.
Bullocks 402 to 420 to average 409, back 32. Heavy feeder steers 410 to 528 to average 459, back 6. Heavy feeder heifers 328 to 414 to average 374, back 21. Prime cows 309 to 345 to average 328, back 24. Medium cows 250 to 311 to average 289, back 36. Store cows 190 to 290 to average 241, up 7. Heavy bulls 324 to 389 to average 360, back 19. Light bulls 344 to 386 to average 370, back 10. Yearling steers 394 to 528 to average 472, firmer last week. Yearling heifers 334 to 390 to average 361, back 16. Weaner steers 406 to 508 to average 444, back 59. Weaner heifers 300 to 370 to average 337, back 43.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural will be selling in 8th position, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.